Sniffles. Hi, everyone. It's me, Sonya. I don't know about you, but my parents are super caring.
There. It's really windy outside.
What a cute doggy.
No. Dogs bite sometimes.
They're constantly making sure that nothing bad happens to me.
So that you don't get heat stroke.
Uh-huh.
Basically, I have no freedom. Toastville isn't like that. There you can do whatever you want. Toastville time for Sonya.
Attention! Attention! An outbreak of the Toastville Sniffles is spreading fast. Nose plugs are highly recommended for everyone so you don't sneeze your brains out. Hey, phew! One big sneeze, no more sniffles. Attention! The Toastville Sniffles! Buy yourself nose plugs right away!
Oh, Sonya! Hiya! Come here, quick! Hiya! I wonder what's going on.
Wait up! Come back here!
Nothing.
I can't watch. So awful. Uh-oh, my nose feels tickly. Oh, no. My nose, too. That Toastville gave us the sniffles. Oh, we did. Don't sneeze. We absolutely have to get plugs for the noses. Hey, you there. Can you hurry it up?
Hey there, girls. You feeling better, I hope?
Hiya, Muffy. Hiya. Yes, thank you.
The one good thing about the Toastville Sniffles is that they go away once you sneeze. Just make sure you have the plugs in. Look at mine. They're colorful. Oh, oops, popcorn. Stop that. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. What do I do now?
Here, take mine. That's nuts, Sonya. They're covered in boogers. You can never use nose plugs more than once. Any ideas how we can plug the other one?
Hey, hi, everyone. Whoa! Muffy wasn't afraid to come outside with the Toastville Sniffles going around?
Hello, Nick. We were just Catch it now!
Oh! Muffy, it looks like your brains decided to travel around the world. Hey, Muffy, what are you doing?
He's probably going after his brain. Not sure about that.
Don't!
One more. Gimme.
Oh, I see. Through his nostril, Muffy sneezed out the brain hemisphere that's responsible for self-preservation.
I want to skate.
We should go look for it before Muffy hurts himself.
Give it to me, Nick. I want to skate.
Full steam ahead to Muffy's half brain, and here we go!
Oh, that's such a cute fish. I should post this online. It's a Toastville pickerel. This'll get even more laughs.
Let me catch it.
Muffy, where are you going? Row towards your brain or you'll stay like this forever!
Wow, this fish is so cool.
Whoa, the fishy is hungry!
Hey, you sprat! Leave our muffin alone!
So, Muffy, your plan was to look inside its stomach to see how many Toastians it ate before you?
Uh-huh.
Muffy's brain is too far ahead to catch now.
Whoa! Those fishermen got a mind-blowing catch today!
Hurry! Let's get inside that factory! Go! The can!
So dope!
Muffy! Where did that can go? There it is! Does anyone remember which one his brain is in?
Oh! It's the one with the fish on it!
Every can has a fish on it!
Strike!
Oh, Muffy!
Muffy, you're gonna get sucked in! Oh no, Muffy! Because of your silly tricks, you might stay half-brained forever!
Oh, Muffy the homebody. What happened to the good old days?
Listen up, guys. I've got a plan. Popcorn, sniff Muffy, please. Find it! Come on! Popcorn, where have you brought us?
This is a fancy restaurant for canned fish-loving folks.
My fellow connoisseurs of canned fish, even the Toastville Sniffles won't get in the way of our feast. I hope you've all sneezed already with your plugs in.
Yes.
And your brains are intact. And now I hereby declare our gala lunch celebrating the arrival of a fresh batch of our favorite delicacies is open!
Excuse me, you can't eat that lunch!
How dare you! I've been waiting for this all morning!
I won't leave with an empty stomach. Never disturb the chairman when he's enjoying his lunch. Oh, this is something new. Could this be caviar?
So sure you'll like the taste of that!
He's about to.
Muffy, I dare you to jump on this tray, surf right across the table, and steal that penguin's lunch!
Muffy can do it all!
Muffy, you've got a fan.
What is this gross thingy?
We later learned on the Toastnet that thanks to modern medicine, the brain can be reinserted into a Toastian's head by having them drink it through a straw.
Wow.
Muffy, can you show me that cool broken fan trick?
I have brains to think with. I'm not looking for any trouble.
Whoa, hey, welcome back!
It's so great that you're boring again. Well, it's been fun, guys, but I have stuff to do back home. Home time for Sonya. Anyone with brains should understand your loved ones are only looking out for you. Basically, I realize that it's worth listening to the advice of your parents and friends. They always want what is best for you, even though sometimes they can overdo it a little bit. And this one's for Aktai in Baku. Some fish in Toastville do fly like birds, and vice versa. I'm out. See ya. Bye-bye.
Sonia from Toastville!
The Inky Rash. My last Toastville adventure wiped me out so much that I overslept the next day and was late for school.
Sonia, you should have been up an hour ago.
Which actually led me to my next adventure. Hey, Max! Hey, guys!
Sonia, have you seen yourself in the mirror today? Or is washing your face out of style?
The blots? Oh, I ran into an ink crumble that sprayed me the other day in Toastville. Guess I missed a few of them.
Seriously? You're way too old to still play with imaginary friends.
Hey, not true. My friends are real.
Sure, whatever.
Maya's my bestie. Nick's a real joker. Muffy, likes boiled onions. Toastville is such an amazing place.
You get that, guys? Who has a talking egg, apple core, and muffin for friends, huh? A baby, that's who. Baby Sonia, baby Sonia.
I am not a baby.
Then you are such a liar.
I'm no liar, and I'll prove it. After school, we're going to Toastville. Of course, I totally forgot the mysterious someone's warning.
Never bring another Earthling with you, or there'll be consequences for both Earthlings and Toastians.
What's with the old-timey breadbox? Who even uses those?
My grandma used to, but she's gone now. She disappeared when I was little. Max, remember, Toastville might look all cute, but you gotta be careful. Toastville time for Sonia and Max.
Whoa, hey! This is really Toastville? It is actually pretty cool.
Oh!
Ah! Snake!
Oh, Sylvia, I'm sorry. You know, first time in Toastville. Max meets Sylvia, Toastville's poet laureate.
Excuse me, how rude. Why are tourists so obnoxious? Good day.
Is everyone here so like that?
I'll tell you on the way. Let's take these Toastian scooters.
Oh. Oh, look, everything's so cute and so silly, like a kindergarten class. Hey, out of the way, kiddies!
Max, be careful! There's a retirement home nearby. We gotta slow down.
Sonia, how could you break one of our most fundamental rules?
Oh, yeah, I know. It's just that, well, you know, I wanted to prove to Max. Wait, where'd he go? Oops, I'm so sorry. He's, you know, new here. Okay, Max, let's get going. Oh, Mr. Litu's shop is here. Look, he makes the jam that teleported both of us here today. He also made a lotion that helped me get rid of most of that inky rash.
Hi, Sonia.
Hello.
I've made some new flavors. Try some.
Ugh, gross!
Oh, that's the Inky Rash Lotion. I've been so busy packing my bags for a holiday that I mixed it up with my jam. Which reminds me, do you have enough jam, Sonia?
I'm good. Thanks for asking. Come on, Max, let's go.
Whoa! Hey, what's that?
That is Checkpoint Cheese.
Is it a pizza joint? Because I'm so hungry.
No, it's the official passage through the cheese membrane to the burnt lands.
To what now? The Burnt Lands? Sounds cool, let's check it out. Come on!
No way. It's super dangerous and crawling with lots of nasty crumbles.
Oh, nasty crumbles?
Sonia, hey! Is that another Earthling with you? Hey, gang! Sure is. Meet my good friend, Max.
Hiya.
Hi, Max. You're hungry, right? Check it out. A whole picnic for
We
us.
have buttered slugs, crispy moss, and boiled onions. Help yourself.
Ugh. Do you have any food I can actually eat? Oh, pizza!
Oh! What are you doing? If you were sunbathing, how'd you like me taking a bite out of you?
That's enough! I've had it with your weird Toastians. I want to see some crumbles.
Max, wait up! What's going on? Max wants to find some way into the burnt lands now. I only wanted to prove to Max that Toastville was real, you know? Now we gotta find him before he gets in real trouble.
Like climbing down a smuggler's hole into the burnt lands?
Yes, like that, Muff. So,
That's what I told you.
your Max is kind of feral. Whoa, hey, he's not my Max. Besides, he's okay. It's just sometimes he,
Crumbles! Shrumbles! Come out to play! Crumbles! Shrumbles! Come out to play!
Quiet! If the Crumbles catch us here without a visa, they'll lock us up. If we're lucky.
Seriously? I haven't seen a single crumble since I got here. You're a total liar.
Careful now.
Oh.
It's a whole ink crumble nest. Oh no!
What's this goo they're spitting? Ugh, gross. Is this ink?
Oh no! Max! It's the inky rash!
It's so itchy. What's that?
It's something you didn't believe in!
I don't like this. I want to go home.
You can't go home now. Look, the rash is already contagious. If you go back to Earth like that, you'll start an epidemic.
Mr. Litu's lotion! We need to get to his shop before he leaves for his holiday. But where's Max?
He ran away.
I have a visual. Looks like a crumble.
Freeze! Where's your visa?
You're under arrest.
Sonia.
To inspect everyone! If the inky rash breaks out here, it could be a Toastville epidemic! I've got an idea. Max!
Huh? Sonia, I want to go home. I want to pet my dog.
Why not try petting these bars first?
You said pet the bars? Whoa, that's a serious rash.
In Toastville, everything should be taken seriously. Oh no, we're too late! Mr. Litu!
Oh dear, someone's got the inky rash. I was just locking up. I'll go get the lotion. Here we go. The remaining spots are not contagious anymore.
Thank you so much. Sorry for acting so foolishly.
No, I was foolish to bring you here. Home time for Sonia and Max.
Sonia, we can't have your friend here telling others how to get to Toastville. I'll put the dot of forgetting on his hand. He'll never remember this adventure.
Look, just tell me, who are you? And why do you keep helping me all the time?
Sonia, I'm your... Wait! The dot is not dried up yet!
Sonia, what am I doing at your house?
Well, you came over to have some snacks, remember? But now it's time for you to go home.
Really? Okay, I'll get going.
You shouldn't try to prove anything to your friends. If they don't believe you, they aren't very good friends. And to Yoka from Japan, some Toastians do live forever. I'm out. See ya. Bye-bye.
Where did I get covered in this weird ink?